Hey everyone, it's already been 3 weeks since I started posting on YouTube. Can you believe that? Feels like yesterday when I was nervously uploading my first video and I was wondering, would somebody watch it? Is my editing good? That stressful day of my life. But fast forward to now, here I am with so much to share about this incredible journey. It's only been 3 weeks. It's not a lot, but I have so much to share with you guys. I would like to thank you all of those who commented, who liked my videos, who watched my videos, who subscribed to my channel. It means the world to me. So I'm going to start speaking to you. I will just fix the camera over here about the subscribers count. How many subscribers do you think I've got in just 3 weeks? 246, guys. That's so exciting for me. It's a lot. I know that for some of you might seem like a small number, but for a new YouTuber like me who knows what it takes to be on YouTube and to post a video from start to finish, it's a lot. Because if you're thinking from my point of view, 246 people have taken time to subscribe to my channel, to watch my video, to like my video, to share my video, to speak with me in the comments. Honestly, that's huge. It's not just about the number, it's about the community that I've built here in just 3 weeks. Because when I first started, I didn't know what to expect. I was like, would anybody watch my personality? Would anybody care what I have to say? And now I can see that yes, there are people out there that actually care about my opinion. When I see a new subscriber on my channel, it's like boosting my confidence every time. It's like I've boosted my confidence 246 times in the last 3 weeks. It's making me feel connected to you guys, and I've already received some emails on my email account that they want to collaborate with me and they want to speak with me because they like my personalities and my growth. Now, let's talk about those views. The total view count on my channel is 10.2k views. So that's a total of my long form videos and my short form videos. Again, you might think that is a small number, but think about it like that. This is 10.200 times that people have taken to watch my videos, to like my videos, and to interact with my videos. Like views, they viewed my videos on the screen. What's even more exciting is that my most viewed video is a short form video, which got up to 3.5k views, which is amazing. Like, it got pushed out so much, this short form video, that I wasn't expecting. And I think I got like 10 subscribers from that single video. When I see that kind of results, that's what keeps me pushing myself and putting more content out there, even though the editing is not fabulous and the video content idea is not perfect. It's motivating me to build more, to create more. Let me tell you now about my latest video, which is close to my heart. It only got like 82 views, but it's okay. I'm gonna tell you why I love this video. So I love it and I like it because I've put so much effort into it, like on editing, on the script, on the content idea, and it's so original. You should go and watch it, guys. I will put it somewhere here and at the end of this video. So the video is titled 10 things I wish I knew before I started posting on YouTube. And honestly, you can see so much of myself in that video because I'm honestly telling only truth. And I believe the things and the value that I provide in this video particularly, it cannot be found anywhere in this YouTube guru's world. Why am I mentioning this video? Well, because I told you, even though I made a good editing, an editing on point, and the idea and the structure of the video was on point, it has only got 82 views. But this one didn't discourage me, but it motivated me more. And why? I'm gonna tell you why. It takes time to build momentum. So even if the video is perfect, it takes time for the YouTube algorithm to push it out there to people. Maybe this video will get viral in a year, or maybe tomorrow, or maybe in a month. Who knows? We'll see. Let me tell you that after I posted this video, I've got 3 emails from people who told me, Sabrina, thank you so much for sharing those information. They are so helpful for a new YouTuber like me. And I was feeling so overjoyed. I helped 3 of my subscribers. From that, I realized that it's not only about the people who watch the video, but it's about the impact that has on those people who do watch the video. Okay, so now the final chapter is how 3 weeks of posting on YouTube changed my life, the honest truth. Let's start with the stress that I've got these past 3 weeks. And don't forget, I'm pregnant. You see my belly? It's 8 months pregnant. So yes, it is stressful to post on YouTube. It's very important for me as a content creator to keep it simple and real and to tell you that there's no sugarcoating it. The content creation is not all about rainbows and sunshines and happiness. No. It's about stress too. The biggest stressor for me was coming up with video ideas that wasn't copying other creators. Creativity doesn't always flow like on demand like that. And sometimes it feels so struggle to figure out the next video idea should be. It's like really mind stressful. But my friend, the stress doesn't stop there. For me, the hardest part is to find timing to film because I'm pregnant and I'm a toddler mom. I can say that my days are pretty full. Balancing motherhood, being a wife, being a YouTuber is no small feat. It's like really hard and time consuming. And I'm being honest, real and raw over here. I'm exhausted, but I found ways to manage it and to keep posting. It's not easy, and I definitely some days feel overwhelmed, but I keep reminding myself the reason why I do this. I have a clear goal. I kind of see the bigger picture, and I know that if I keep pushing, it will all be worth it in the end. Now, here's something that truly changed my life in this past 3 weeks posting on YouTube, which is finding a real purpose of life again. Before I started YouTube, I was feeling pretty stuck. I was feeling that I was that person who only wipes butts, who feeds children, who takes care of the house, cleaning, and who's being a wife. That's it. I was feeling kind of down and depressed. Don't get me wrong, I love being a mom and a wife and the person that does everything in the house. But I feel like there's more for me out there. And then I found YouTube, or maybe YouTube found me. Either way, it's given me something to look forward to, something that it's for me, something that's waiting for me, something that's giving me pleasure. I can say I'm a YouTuber, I'm a creator. I feel proud of it. It's like, I don't know if you feel me. It's my little baby, after this one, of course. It's making me jump out of my comfort zone. It's making me speak to strangers in front of a camera. It's like my time to shine, I know I'm over-exaggerating, but that's my feeling right now. I'm more confident, I'm more driven, I'm more comfortable. My pregnancy hormones don't exist anymore. It's like, have you ever seen that? No, this is the only time anyone has said that. It's like I'm not pregnant. I forget sometimes that I'm pregnant because I'm creating content and it's time consuming. I'm not just a wife and a mother and a pregnant lady. I'm a creator. I'm a dreamer. I'm a businesswoman. Because of course I see YouTube as a business. In the future, YouTube will offer me an income. isn't it? Finish this video because I made it too long. I can say that I'm so amazed about my growth. I'm still in shock that I've already uploaded 28 videos in 3 weeks, and with this one that I'm recording now, it will be 29. Who does that? That is averaging like 8 to 9 videos per week. I don't know how I'm doing it. Seriously, I'm like, I'm in shock. Really, like maybe I'm thinking that I'm pregnant and in a month from now I will be having a new baby in my house, and maybe I will not be having so much time to record and post video, and maybe that's why I post as much as I can right now, so then I could rest. Maybe I can say I'm proud of me again, and I'm even prouder of the fact that I can see results, that my work has finally paid off. My channel is growing. I deserve it, okay? I feel I deserve it because I put so much effort in my videos to be better of the last one, so I deserve everything I got. You will ask me, what's next, Sabrina? What's your next milestone? My next milestone would be to have a long form video to get up to 1,000 views. I cannot wait to see that. I want to see what my audience wants. And when a video takes off and gets a lot of views, then I finally find my audience. And when that happens, you better believe that I'm going to celebrate a lot. I have so many ideas, so many videos I want to record. I need to do everything, and I'm gonna do everything because I can manage everything. I can finally say that I've decided to be all in for the long run. I hope you will stick around to see my potential. If you decide to stick around and you're not my subscriber yet, hit that subscriber button and leave a comment down below. Even if you have a video idea that you would like me to record and you think that it would help you a lot, I'm thinking for my next video to be how to be comfortable in front of a camera when English is not your native language. I think that would be a very useful video because I do have a lot of tips that I could give you to get better at speaking in front of a camera when English is not your native language, of course. So that's week 3 update. I have nothing else to say. I'll see you for the week 4 update. Thanks for sticking around. See you in the next video.